Welcome back to AgriTalk here in Nashville, Tennessee. Each Wednesday we have the radio version of Beyond the Bean on Air. Of course, Beyond the Bean on Air, you can go to unitedsoybean.org and get the latest on soybean checkoff activities. We have the radio version here each Wednesday, and joining us here in Nashville is Bob Haselwood, Treasurer for the United Soybean Board. Bob, thank you for joining us. Big visit recently by high-ranking Chinese officials. Contracts were signed for more U.S. soy sales to China.
That's correct. It was a big event a couple weeks ago when China made their visit. We signed on 2 weeks ago. They signed about commitments for about 8.6 million metric tons, and then they signed some more at the end of the week in Los Angeles, and total was 13.4 million metric ton commitments. So
they're a huge customer, and it's been a long building of a relationship there. A lot of market development work has gone on there.
Yeah, United Soybean Board and USAC and even ASA spent a lot of time and money over the years to invest in this market, and I think we're starting to see the dividends.
So there's, as good as a market it is now, there's even potential for more.
I think so. China's got a growing middle class, and as the middle class expands, they want to improve their diet, and eating more meat's that, and you got to feed that meat soy. So
a big part of it is having that relationship with them and assuring them that the United States will be a reliable provider for their needs.
I think that's why they're signing these commitments now. They want to make sure that they've got a safe and secure and sustainable food supply, and the U.S. is going to provide it.
And it sounds like, yeah, they're going to be. Obviously, it's a competitive marketplace, so the United States has to listen to the customers. And did they express any concerns or things that they are looking at as far as future sales, what they may require of U.S. soybean growers?
I don't know if they made any really demands or anything, but I think they're concerned about the supply, where it's all going to come from, because they're going to keep needing more of it all the time. And China takes a vast majority of all beans worldwide as far as what is exported. So,
was biotech an issue at all?
No.
They want the beans.
They want the beans, yeah.
And we'll provide them, right?
We're going to try.
That'll be the challenge. We're going to talk about that here, in the days and weeks to come. It's a critical growing season, and again, the demand is out there, sir.
Yeah, with the South American crop being short this year, we're going to run into some record low carryovers, and the U.S. is going to have to step up so they can keep the supplies going.
All right. So we'll be watching those acres when those numbers come up here before long. Bob, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike.
Bob Haselwood, Treasurer of the United Soybean Board, taking us Beyond the Bean here. And again, join us each Wednesday here on AgriTalk for Beyond the Bean on Air. And you can always check out soybean checkoff activities by going to unitedsoybean.org.